just wanted to introduce myself. My name's John Watson from Mildura Fruit Company. We are a large citrus packer and grape exporter. We work with 150 or more growers from all around Australia to bring you guys the best grapes Australia can offer at this time of year. We're very blessed in Australia that we grow green and clean, beautiful fruit. We're very lucky as salespeople for Australian fruit that we don't have to work too hard because the product speaks for itself. One of the first things my mentor taught me was that you're not in the fruit game, you're in the relationship game, and I think all the people here today would agree with that. It's with partners like you all that really help make this job fun and enjoyable. So as part of that family, it's really important that we talk about what's happening in Australia and what's happening with varieties and what we've got to look forward to. Obviously, we have the bulk of the grapes that come to the Philippines are crimson seedless, as we've just spoken about. We have some beautiful whites that have come to the market in previous years, but we also have some really new, exciting varieties coming. There's bubblegum flavours, there's cotton candy flavours that I think are in the market at the moment. So there's some really different varieties coming that you as importers or retailers or repackers that you could look at to present to your customers. I think it's really important in this business to have a point of difference. You've got to have a good product, but it's also got to be something that interests the customer and keeps them engaged. So we look forward to bringing all those different varieties to market. I guess I just want to say thank you for your support and look forward to, future years of wonderful grapes arriving to the market.
My name is Vangadia, the new Trade and Investment Commissioner here in Austrade, Manila. It is week 3 for me and it's a baptism of fire. As an Australian who was born in the Philippines, I'm delighted and grateful to be back at this exciting time when the country and the Southeast Asian region are experiencing rapid growth. The government announced a commitment to Southeast Asia through an economic strategy to 2040. Our ambition is to boost two-way trade between Philippines and Australia across several priority markets, and one of those is agriculture and food, which leads to today's Australian Table Grapes season launch event. We recognise the value placed on the Philippine market by Horticulture Innovation Australia and the Australian Table Grapes Association, who continue to support the grapes industry Philippine partners through retail and online campaigns. These show that the Philippines is a priority market. The campaign, tagged Grown in Good Nature, perfectly captures Australia's pristine environment, suitable for growing agricultural and food products. With your trust in Australian premium grapes, I'm happy to share that the Philippines continues to be one of Australia's main export destinations for table grapes globally and within the Southeast Asian region. The awareness and interest in Australian table grape varieties and other special fruits have been stronger now that the availability has expanded to both in-store and online platforms for all the discerning buyers of quality and flavour. Filipino consumers can continue to enjoy Australian grape varieties such as Crimson, Thompson and Menindee Seedless, some of which you tried today. In previous seasons, new varieties such as Autumn Crisp, Sweet Globe, Long Crimson, Sweet Sapphire were a hit and enjoyed widely by our Filipino shoppers. But you can expect to have more of these varieties this year as well. You can look forward to the Grown in Good Nature Australian grapes, which can also include in-store sampling activities and promotional offers. As we're in the middle of summer here in Manila, and I'm sure you're all feeling the heat, shoppers in this market will look forward to the availability of Australian table grapes this season as a crisp, sweet and hydrating snack. And there are many ways to enjoy this refreshing fruit, so in your lunchbox, on your appetizer platter or in a salad. We'd like to thank our special guests today who continue to support Australian fresh produce. the importers and retailers who are our valued partners, ensuring Australian table grapes are regularly available here in the Philippines. But to our friends and our mumfluencers, thank you for spreading awareness about Australian table grapes to your audience with exciting and creative content every season. Now, I don't want to get between you and the food, so let's enjoy this afternoon and savor today's sweet grapes. Thank you.